Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a BMW M4 in car parking multiplayer. First, navigate to the in-game dealership and browse the available BMW models. Look for a two-door coupe that closely resembles the M4's body style. Once you've found the perfect base car, ensure it has ample customization options. You will then need to purchase it using your in-game currency, which usually costs around $40,000 to begin your transformation. Next, let's focus on the exterior to truly capture the M4's iconic look. Head to the body shop and select a wide-body kit that gives your car that aggressive, muscular stance. After that, pick a signature M4 color like Yas Marina Blue or Alpine White for a striking finish. Don't forget to add carbon fiber details to the roof, side mirrors, and rear spoiler to enhance its sporty appeal. Now let's move on to the wheels and suspension, crucial elements for the M4's appearance and performance. Select a set of 20-inch alloy wheels, preferably with a multi-spoke design, to match the M4's sporty aesthetic. Then, lower the suspension by about 2 inches to achieve that aggressive, planted stance. Finally, fine-tune the camber and toe settings for both improved handling and a more authentic M4 look. For the final touches, let's enhance both performance and authenticity. Upgrade your engine to a powerful 3-liter twin-turbo setup, mimicking the M4's impressive power. Install a custom exhaust system to give your car that deep, aggressive M-car growl. Lastly, don't forget to add M-badging to the grille and trunk, and create a custom license plate to truly personalize your car parking multiplayer BMW M4.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.